So if you're thinking of starting a business, a lawyer or CPA will usually recommend an S Corp or LLC. But if you look at the largest law firms in the US and the largest accounting firms, you'll notice that they're all LLPs, not LLCs. And so you might be asking yourself, if LLCs are so great, why are they using LLPs? Why don't I do one of those? So in a different video, I talked about GPs versus LPs, general partners and limited partners. And the LP structure is very commonly used in things like hedge funds and sometimes in real estate investing. But in an LP, you have one general partner who has unlimited liability, and then you have as many LPs, investors, as you want who don't have liability. And if you want to use an LP but you don't want unlimited liability, it's very common for the GP to be an LLC. But as you can see, if you are starting with that, the paperwork now is multiplying. And an LLP is a way around that. So an LP has limited partners, and none of them require a GP. So in an LLP, the person running the LLP, just like the limited partners in an LP, does not have unlimited liability. And there's no need to draft around that by creating an additional LLC to act as the GP. So all the partners in an LLP are protected from the business's debts and obligations, so their personal assets are safe from claims against the partnership. And this is especially important for things like partner misconduct, like negligence, malpractice, things like that. So there are tax advantages to an LLP, just like an LLC. An S Corp, at an LLP, the taxes are not taxed at the business level. The profits and losses are passed through to the partner's personal income tax. So this sounds great. Why doesn't everyone use it? In most states, it's restricted to licensed professionals, and that would mean attorneys, accounting firms, CPAs, architectural firms, sometimes medical practices. So in states like New York, where I'm licensed, or California, it's strictly limited to those type of professionals. In some states like Delaware, the LLP is available to any type of business, and it's very commonly used. And there is paperwork involved. You have to file documents with the Secretary of State, so it's a certificate of limited liability partnership. And when you file the documents, the name usually must include limited liability partnership or an abbreviation like LLP. And some states require you to file the partnership agreement with the states, some don't, but even if it's not required, it's important for you to have one, because it's going to govern ownership percentages, profit and loss distribution, management roles, and procedures for adding people and removing partners. So this is why it's very useful in things like large law firms, where you want people to be able to make decisions for the firm but not have other partners liable for the misconduct of. This is why it's important in things like law firms, so that you can have attorneys doing things for clients and not have all the partners be unlimitedly liable for the actions of each member of the firm. So like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and leave a comment below if there's other videos like you'd like to see. And since I'm a lawyer, I'll give you the disclaimer. This is for educational and informational purposes only and doesn't create an attorney-client relationship between you and I. There's no duty to update. If you have questions about your own legal or financial situation, talk it over with your own legal or finance professional. Have a great day, everyone.